Okay, we're gonna be doing a facial login manager for Linux, specifically with the LY login manager. Be working through my webcam. Probably use Howdy for the facial verification because it uses PAM pluggable authentication modules. Just read that from my notes. So LY authenticates through PAM pluggable authentication modules, which is a framework for Linux and Unix systems. It just manages authentication. Since LY uses the PAM authentication stack, we can use facial authentication software that also uses that stack. So that's Howdy. It's supported through AUR, which is good. I've already downloaded it through the AUR. You can see that here. Also, you should need some tools for your webcam. So I also checked my camera to see where it's exposed and where the video interface is. I got two different results, video 0 and 1. You can check which one it is with this command here. You'll be able to see different formats, maybe like MPJ or something. We'll see. That's where I'm at now. What we're now going to do is we're going to configure Howdy for my computer, or for my webcam rather. We're going to use sudo howdy config. All we have to do from here is just set the device path to our video interface, which we just found. I changed the device path to /dev video 0 and I'm going to write out this file. Now that I've done that, I'm just going to do a test and we got a failure. So I looked for a while and looks like the original test failed just because I was using my webcam to record. But now we're getting an error just because there's a compatibility issue in the code, I guess. So I've been using ChatGPT to try to help me debug. We used the ChatGPT fixes. It actually worked. I just realized I'm mirrored right now. There we go. Yes, we used ChatGPT fixes. It actually worked. Surprising. We tested it. The test worked. Now I just need to add my face. So I was having an issue where the frame rate was super low when I was testing and just trying to recognize the face. I found the issue was it was using a different backend than in the V4L2 one. So I switched to the V4L2 backend and it's working much better now. I was also getting an error. Let's find it. So when I would scan my face, I would get the IOCTL video IOC QBUF bad file descriptor error every time. So then I switched the backend and it fixed it. So we're working.